Well, okay, folks. The box is mounted. I had to buy these latches. Had the material for the backing plate to bring them out. Seems as though the box isn't quite even, just a little bit off. But at any rate, the latches over here. I gotta make sure I'm looking at the camera when I'm opening it up. Bolts bolted in place against the body. Bolts bolting it down. Take out that washer so it doesn't get sucked up by the vacuum sweeper. And suck out all the drilling. Yeah, bring it up here so it's closer. Well, now that it's nice and clean inside, the little hinge latches hang there. And then, of course, you can take out the key. I got a fair ring on the stash that. There it is, folks. The new and improved trailer. I like the way that looks. Yes, this is it for this video, and have a blessed day in the Lord.